So Jack man, you running the Jack, bro? Huh? Oh, shut up. Get to work, you stupid human. Oh. Alright, well, I guess I better shut up and get to work. Dang, Jack's such a ornery person. Alright, well, let's change the header gasket. Yeehaw. Ugh. Oh, wind noise for the win. Yeah, I think it might be some sabotage. Dang it, guys. We got a cracked porcelain. Alright. Doesn't look terrible. So we're going to have to get that replaced. Alright. Keep working. What do you think, guys? I don't think that was working out so well. You know, but that right there, that's not going to cut it. Woo! Destructive. Hey, that's what horsepower does. It tears things up. So, let's kickstart some exhaust manifold gaskets. Whee! Alright, guys. We're going to take out our old factory Ford shocks. We're going to put in these Comp Engineering 3-ways that Pirate gave us, or loaned us, or whatever. We're putting them on the car. I got them set at 50/50, so this is basic stuff, but we're changing something, so see what's what. All right, boom, and there we go, guys. Job done. We got our new, oh Lord, well, not new, but new to us, our Comp Engineering drag shocks in, and we got our old drag pack factory drag pack shocks out. So anyway, we'll put them in a corner. You never know, these new ones may not work out right, so we'll have to put the old ones back on. We're not scared to do that. All right, well, I got more stuff to do, so let me get to work. All right, guys, we're on to the next project. We've got our torque box kit. We shot a little paint on it. Did I say kit or shit? Oh well. We've got our torque box kit, and we've shot a little black paint on it. We've got the lower control arm already knocked off. So let's you know, bolt this garbage in. We're not going to do the upper. I hate doing the uppers. I hate doing the lowers, honestly. I hate pulling this crap back apart. When you've had it apart 18 times, you get tired of doing it, I guess. Anyway, let's go ahead and get it done. I mean, we went, you know, 735, so 149, 860, so maybe it's time to put them in. All right, well, we're not doing the uppers though. Not today. One thing at a time. All right, let's get back to work. Hey guys, what's happening? I got my Green Lantern shirt on. You guys hadn't seen that one for a while. Oh, okay. Let's get right into the nuts and bolts of it. This is technically a race day, a track day, and it's early in the morning. We just finished up a few little things. Some of the stuff you've already seen that we're doing, but let's go through it one more time real quick. To recap real quick, we've got our old shocks off. We're taking them with us just in case these Comp Engineering 3-ways don't work. You guys have already seen them. And the other thing we did, no, we didn't do any body work. We still got our big dent. The other thing we did was put our lower torque box kit in. So, you know, that's not really going to help us do anything. So let's get back to the blah-de-blah part of it. All right, and there we go. The other thing we did, we changed our header gasket, and we haven't started it. So who knows what it's going to sound like. It's got to sound better than it did because it sounded horrific. Maybe we went from pulpwood truck back to garbage truck, but it is what it is. So we weren't really going to go today. There's only going to be in-car video. Nobody. I'm going to be up there by myself. But I thought this would be a good day to go up there, and the weather's pretty nice. We're going to go up there. We're going to test the shocks and see how we like them. We got them set on 50/50, and that's where we'll leave them. If we don't like them, we'll just put the old ones back on. We'll also make a couple of hits like we did the other night. We went 735. Now the weather is not like it was the other night. It's not going to run 730s. Let's go ahead and get that out there right now. If it does, it'll be a miracle. But what we can do is run a couple passes with the new shocks and the way it was, get a little baseline there, and then we might try and go back to the 24s and try the 80R on it. Just, you know, it's test and tune. And this is one of the things where I start getting into these rants when I'm talking to different people about stuff. You can't go to the track and make hero runs. You just can't do it. Some people have made comments, you know, oh, you know, you're driving like a beast and all that kind of stuff. And this car makes it easy for me to drive, but it takes a lot of practice. And any guy that races a stick shift a lot will tell you it takes lots of practice. And I still miss gears. At this point, we've made 74 passes in this car. I've missed second once, third once, and fourth once. All 3 of those misses were my fault. It wasn't the car, it was me. I was, for various reasons, my head wasn't in the game and all this kind of stuff. But it takes practice to drive a stick shift car good. Any stick shift car, no matter what it is. But these are the days. You go up there and you make hits. Don't go make hero runs. Don't go up there and make 3 passes or 4 passes trying to get comfortable in the car, try stuff out. Obviously, you guys have seen this. We're not scared to go up there and run some runs. Even if it's going bad, you're still learning stuff. Even on the bad days, you still learn things not to do. We have a lot of those, even though this car's been pretty good luck for us. So, without further ado, let me shut you off, back this thing up, load it up. Let's go get some gas and a bag of ice. Let's go to the track and let's rip some gears. That's always fun. All right, guys, we'll see you in a little bit. All right, we are in the Trojan horse with our misreading fuel pressure gauge, and we're headed to the track. It's a beautiful day, so again, we're probably not going to beat our 735, or probably won't even get close to it, but you know, this is test and tune day, so we're gonna go up, we're gonna do a little testing, we're gonna do a little tuning, so, or at least that's what we think we're gonna do. We're gonna have fun, we're gonna go, you know, speeding on it. And while it sounds like a freaking garbage truck or a pulpwood truck, there is that feeling that it's faster. Not fast, faster. That's probably going to be a high 40. It's a little bit hotter. Yes, sir. 45. Not bad. Oh, 63 on the tree. That's pretty good for us. That's actually real good for us. Like a pulpwood truck. I made it sound as bad as it looks. And that's hard to do. That's hard to do. Alright guys, we got our 24 swapped in. Got our 19s in the cat food and treat bucket. We got our Pro M 80 on. And we're fixing to make a few passes. They're prepping the track. It's kind of hot though. It's gotten hot. So we're doing all right though. We went, 46 and a 48 and a 43 and a 45. So those are on the two numbers on the backside are hot laps. So we're not doing too bad considering the weather, and the track's not nearly as good. A lot of street cars up here tearing it up. But we're fixing to go up there and make another hit. Maybe we'll be right where we're at. If we are, well, whatever. All right, this doesn't tune, right? All right, we're out. All right, guys, it's our first pass of the 24s and the Pro M80. This is what we're gonna have. All spots everywhere. Y'all having a demolition derby out here?
I wish.
I think there's a Rambler out here with dirt track headers, derby headers on it. Wow, 56. shocks and taking that little hitch out of it. Or let's get rearing it out, bud. Thanks, sir. Okay, we put the 19s back in, and it went 747 at 90.98 on basically a hot lap. So it just don't like. All right, guys. It's kind of a hot lap going right lane. There's like a lot of dirt and stuff over here. We got double roll. Dummy. Dummy, 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 dummy. Oh well. Should just be thankful that we got all gear. Alright guys, well we're gonna pack it up, head home. Shocks aren't any faster, just seems to take that hitch out, but whatever. Man, short shift per second. What a dumbbell. I mean, more than normal. Oh well. Thank you, sir. Well, 46, 157, 746 for the 2, 91.1. Alright guys, the sun is setting on another day of drag racing in the pulpwood truck. Alright, well, we didn't break nothing. We're driving home on our own power, heading up the bumpy road. So, we'll do our blah 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 later on. Alright, see you later. Hey guys, we're back out in the shop. We just had some Mountain Dew, and we're here to do the blah 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 from our kind of test and tune track day. It wasn't a what run or anything like that. We just went up there. Honestly, it was just a nice day. We just wanted to go make passes because that's what we do. If it isn't fun, why are we doing it? So anyway, we went up there with our new shocks. You guys know all that. Let's just get to the numbers. Our very first pass, 154, a 46, and then we just hot at 90.5. Then we just hot lapped it and ended up with we swapped lanes on this one. We ended up in the right lane, 157, 48, and a 90.5. Then we let it cool down, and we brought it back around, and we lowered the launch RPM a little bit, and it went a 43 at 91. And then we went left lane again and went a 45 at 90.9, which we weren't disappointed with that. It was a lot warmer. Friday night was just a killer night. It's just one of those nights where everything was going right. We then brought it around and put our 24s and our 80R in. You may remember we went a 751 with those on a nice night. It went, but the mile an hour dropped. 60 foot was not good on this one. We brought it around again and we went to the right lane. Mile an hour still down. 60 foot's not great. And we went to the night. We took it to the pits. We put the 19s back in, and then promptly went up there and fudged fourth gear like a true professional. So we miss them every now and then. I know some guys, oh, you know, yeah, we miss gears just like everybody else. So we kind of hot lapped it again. It had about a 20-minute cool down, just sitting in the staging lanes. And we lowered the launch RPM, 47 at 90.9, and then we hot lapped, and we ended up with a 46 at 91.157. So that's all the numbers. That was with our new shocks. Like I say, we think it took a little hitch out, but we were by ourselves, so we don't have any outside video. We'll take care of that on the next trip. We'll get some outside video and have a few other little things done to the car. We got a few other modifications we want to make, but we're getting really close to power adder time. We got a few more things to do, so you guys will see that in upcoming videos, as always. All right, well, again, quick note, if you're still watching this at the very end, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. You know, I don't do this for money. I do it for love and for fun. So anyway, hope you guys are working on project cars. It's getting summertime. Hope you're getting them on the road. Whether it be a Fox body, a Camaro, a Chevelle, a Grand National, you know, it's all good. So anyway, let me get off here before someone gets a tear in their eye. And we'll see you guys next time.